The National Livestock Production Assurance Program provides accredited producers with an official stamp of quality for their red meat products. Accredited LPA producers choose to make a personal commitment to adhere to specific on-farm management practices that are set out in these LPA requirements. So what does this LPA requirement mean for producers? Producers need to check all livestock are fit to load and minimise the risk of stress and contamination. All efforts must be made to minimise stress and contamination during assembly and transport of livestock. Select only animals which are fit for transport. Choose quality assured transport operators and inspect the vehicle before loading. Ensure any pre-consignment curfews for livestock destined for slaughter are met. Record all transport details. Thank you for your commitment to Australia's red meat safety and quality, so we can all stand by what we sell.